Good morning, everyone. I'd like to first start off by saying welcome to Piedmont. I also like to talk about a few things. I want to talk about the safety protocols, the rules, and expectations here at Piedmont. When you arrive in the mornings, your temperature will be taken. You will then go to the cafeteria where your teacher will pick you up. There are no locker breaks. In the afternoon, if you are a car rider, you will return to the cafeteria. However, if you ride the bus, you'll go straight to the bus, maintaining social distance while you wear your mask. Teachers will also take attendance on a daily basis, whether you're home or in school. If you are at home, you are expected to do the work on a daily basis and to communicate with your teacher via email, phone, etc. On the first 3 days of school, there will be simulated drills. There will be a fire drill, there will be a tornado drill, and there will also be a lockdown drill. I can't say this enough. Don't forget the W's. Wash your hands, wait, which means stay at least 6 feet apart, and wear your mask at all times. This is for your safety and everyone else's safety. Now, I'd like to touch base on some of the classroom and building protocols as well. If you have to go to the restroom, you will go, but we will do it in an order where you will go one at a time. The water fountains. Please bring reusable water bottles to refill. Make sure you bring book bags to keep items together and organized. Also, there will be no sharing of materials, so please, guys, come to school prepared. Lunch will be a grab and go this year. Make sure you know your lunch number. And again, stay 6 foot apart in the hallway and in line. Everyone will go to the restroom during this time and everyone will wash their hands. We will continue to wash our hands throughout the day and use safety protocols. Here at Piedmont, we like to show a lot of pride. For those that new to Piedmont, I want you to know exactly what the word pride stands for here at Piedmont. The P stands for prepared. The R stands for respectable. The I stands for industrious. The D stands for dependable. And the E stands for ethical. Now, let's get down to Mr. Moore's expectations for all of his students this year. First of all, I expect everyone to listen and follow directions. There will be no talking without permission. I expect for you to respect your classmates as well as myself. I would also like you to keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself. There will be no gum. There will also be no irrelevant comments. Guys, I don't want you blurting out things that have no relation to what we're discussing. I want us to be focused and I want us to learn. And as you'll see in this class, Mr. Moore, I run a classroom that I want us to build up one another. I do not want us to put one another down. If we make a mistake, it's okay. Mr. Moore makes mistakes too. So when you come to school, make sure you're on time for class. Be prepared. And last but not least, again, no negativity. We don't want no negativity. However, if we run into a problem, which I hope and pray we will not, I like to make sure that my students are very aware of the consequences. On the first time, there is a verbal warning. On the second time, there's usually silent lunch or parent contact. I just may call home and just ask mom and dad if they could have a talk with you, and then you'll be invited back to class and we'll continue. There are some times where students have been bounced from one class to another. That I have never done myself. Usually somebody will bounce their students to Mr. Moore. If the behavior continues, and I will probably request a conference. Again, I've never had to, or in the past 9 years, I have not had to request a conference for a parent. And last but not least is office referral. I hope that you have a great year, and I hope that you are able to build those great bonds with your classmates and your teachers. I'd like to say again, welcome to Piedmont, and have a blessed day.